Hey RCrealness crew, it is RCrealness back at it again with another video. So you guys, if you guys don't realize already, it is Friday, another day of random content coming your way. But this is a requested video from someone. So you guys, please enjoy. This is a review of my Louis Vuitton Pochette Metties dupe that I did pick up on DHgate. So you guys, if you guys would like to see this unboxing of this Louis Vuitton Pochette Metties dupe from DHgate, please stay tuned and watch after the intro.
I'm gonna fight on tussle. I'm talking about
So you guys, if you guys don't know already who I am, my name is Richard Charles, aka RCrealness, and this is my Pochette Metties. So you guys, this bag was $58. Currently, the seller is selling this bag on DHgate for $98, I believe. The price did increase. I did buy this bag in February. It did take 2 months for shipping. When I received the bag did not stink at all. I do not have any bad reviews for it. And even when I was using the bag has no bad wear and tear. If you can see, like see it. Now I'm gonna do a quick up close in a second. But if you can see this bag does not have no bad up and tears. The leather is not giving me any issues. None of the clips are giving me issues. Everything in this bag is just fabulous. I would really advise you guys to pick up a bag similar to this model. It doesn't have to be from the same seller, but like a Pochette Metties. Buy a Pochette Metties and put it in your collection. This is one bag that I think this is a cute bag to have. Whether it's whether you're on vacation or just an everyday bag, this would be a perfect gift for your daughter or even your, gay son. So you guys, we're actually gonna get up close with this video because I do want to make sure I can get a very up close review of what it looks like up close. So you guys, this is me up close with the Pochette Metties right here. So as you can see, when you get up closer, you do have the Louis Vuitton logo right here on the bag. And then you do have, it's a Louis Vuitton. It does say Louis Vuitton Paris on the bag right here. And then when you open the bag, what you do is, all you have to do is pinch right here. And once you pinch right here, it does move this button right here. So this one is a movable button. And what it does, if you can see close in the hole, it does unclench the bag, basically. So this is how it opens. When you open it up, the leather is such good quality. It's malleable, it's bendable. This is such a good quality bag. Like, it is such a good quality bag. Let me move back a little bit so you can see. But looking at the glazing, just the glaze, even the glazing on the bag is just impeccable. Because the glazing on the bag, because sometimes the glazing of the bag can show the quality of the dupe. So as you can see, the glazing, even the glazing is just amazing. Just the glazing on the bag as well. So yes, so this is the interior of the bag. This bag does have 3 pockets. One pocket right here, here, and then here. And then it does, on this pocket right here, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. Louis Vuitton, where is it? Can you see it? Let me see if you can see it. I need the light to catch it. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, right here. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then you have your Louis Vuitton made in Paris, made in France. It does say Louis Vuitton made in Paris on each aspect of the bag, like Louis Vuitton made in Paris, even on the bolt right here. And then even on it was everywhere, like on each side, each logo, just everything. It's on everything. And so then when you look at the handle's actually a good quality too. It's not gonna break when you first use it, so you're fine. So you shouldn't be worried about the handle breaking. It's really a good quality bag. Then you get to the back of the zipper. The zipper right here is cute, and it doesn't have any, hold on, I got stuck for a second. This is the first one where I actually got stuck. Oh, it's because I was pushing it in. But like, The zipper is just good. Like, look how, like, girl, it's like not even getting stuck. Barely. I mean, it got stuck because I pushed it in a little bit. But like, when you move it, it's not even getting stuck. It's cute. So yeah, you guys. So this bag, it did cost me $58 to buy. It came with the strap. It did not come with this silk thing. But if you do want this, like to go, like it's falling apart a little bit, but I just have to burn it. That's it. It's falling apart a little bit. It'll be fine. But if you guys, I say, do like this bag, I will leave a comment down below in the comment section. I did, like I was saying before, I did spend $58 on this bag. This bag took a total of 2 months to come from DHgate from the seller. Now, currently, the bag is being sold for over $58 to around $98 for this bag. So the price has increased. The price has increased. So, if you do like this bag, and you do like the specific seller if you want the specific seller that I have, snatch the bag before the price increases again. Because once this bag goes up in price again, girl, this is not going to be something in my ballpark. Something that's not going to be cute for me. So, yes, I'm here for it. Like, it's just this quality bag. I have gotten so many compliments on it. People have said, oh, I have the same bag at home. They're such reliable bags. This, that, and the third. And in my head, I'm sitting here like, yes, I do. Also, in rating this bag, I would rate this bag a 10 out of 10 overall. This, matter of fact, no. Let's rate it for quality. The glazing, the way it came, the smell, for quality-wise, I will give you a 10 out of 10. This bag did not reek at all. It did not smell like E6000. It did not have black spots. It was packaged perfectly, and it did not miss anything. And it did come in this bag, dust bag right here. It's gonna say Louis Vuitton Paris. I don't know if it came in this dust bag. No, it didn't come in this dust bag. This bag came in this dust bag. I can't find this dust bag. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in my closet. It's somewhere in there, but I'll find it. But yeah, the bag is a 10 out of a 10. I love this bag. Will I suggest it to my sister or my mom, whatever? Yes. Any other person? You guys? Yes. This bag, 7 out of 10. Worth for the price now, the new price? No. Was it worth for the original price, $58? Yes. Because the real bag is retail for $1,980 something. Something around that ballpark. I'm going to insert a picture. But in order for you to get the look of this bag, and to get the look that some of these celebrities are having for $58, this is a steal of the deal. But you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that subscribe button down below. If you'd like to see another quick unboxing of my bag, let me know in my comment section down below, and I will have another video for you. I just have one thing to say. Thank you out there for getting me over 300 subscribers. That is so amazing. Please continue to share these videos and share my message. And let's reach 320 together, 330 together. Let's reach 330 together. So you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Bye.